In this video, we're going to walk through registering for an event using a reservation. You are provided with a direct link or reservation code to be sure that you are filling the particular spots that have been reserved for your group. There are two different ways that you can fill a reservation. The first way is if you have been sent a specific link. You may have been sent an email that looks like this. It includes information about the event that you will be volunteering for, as well as a link and reservation code. The easiest way to register from this email is by clicking the link, which will take you to the event registration page showing only the event or events with positions reserved for your group. From here, simply click to register for the event and follow the prompts. If you do not have the direct link for your reservation, but you do have the reservation code, navigate to the event listing page for the organization with whom your group is planning to volunteer. This can often be found on the organization's website. Once there, click on Use Reservation Code. Enter the reservation code in the text box exactly as it is listed and click Apply Reservation Code. This will filter the event list to show only the event or events with positions that are reserved for your group. You can then click to register for an event and follow the prompts.